Hello everyone and welcome to Brick Breaker Game Creating. Until now we have welcome to Brick Breaker message appearing on green flag and sliding down. After that, Brick Breaker game title is appearing on the stage. Today we are going to create a play button. We'll click on choose a sprite and go for paint. In paint, what I will do is I will switch off the outline, I'll click on the square and I will choose a color here. I prefer this type of coloring. You can choose any color you want. I will go for dark blue and light blue in the center. Click and drag and link it in the center. After that, just click outside to unselect the shape and then go for all black color with a solid color, so it's one color filled with black, and I will draw another square. Hold shift if you want it to be a perfect square. I will turn it like this, diamond shape, and then I will convert into bitmap down here so I can erase a part of that square and turn it into a triangle. Select that and click on delete. I will select that shape and link it in the center as well. Now here I have a play button. I will go back to convert into Victor. I'm going to create another costume, so for this costume I will call it button and then right click to duplicate. For the second costume I will call it button wrist. The difference will be changing the color only. Maybe I'll go for white color and like that. No, not white. Let's go for light blue, like that. Now let's go for coding. I will change this sprite name into play. On green flag I need it to hide and switch costume to bottom. So on green flag it's not going to show. It will show only after welcome message. So when I receive welcome message, I need to go to X0, Y75 for example, and then to show. Perfect. Now what I need is once I click on that button, I needed to switch the costume into costume. Button pressed, and after that to go back. After 0.3 seconds maybe, let's go for events, and we'll choose when this sprite is clicked, switch costume to button pressed, wait for 0.3, and then switch costume to button again. So now when I press, it will switch costume and go back to costume number 1, which is button. After that, I want the game to start, so I will go for broadcasting a message telling all the parts of the message that we are going to start, please hide. In this case, I will broadcast a new message and I will call it Violet. When I receive Violet, hide. And this is going to be for all the starting sprites. Let's try that. On green flag, welcome to Break Breaker. And then the Break Breaker game title is appearing with the play button. Once I press on the play button, it's going to switch costume and all these 3 sprites are going to hide. Perfect.